Hi, my name is Michelle Thomas. I'm a nurse practitioner and part of the medical team here at Revitalize Health Solutions in Palm Harbor, Florida. We are an integrative and functional primary care practice that helps patients get to the root cause of their disease or identifies the best methods of prevention and longevity so that every patient lives with vitality and energy. Today I want to talk about autoimmune disease and what's happening in the arena of functional medicine to improve both the symptoms and the underlying systemic causes of these disorders. We have a lot of success in treating autoimmune disease here at Revitalize Health Solutions. That's exciting for patients who've been to many doctors over the years and been told that there's no cure and that taking prescription drugs that can have a lot of scary side effects is the only way to control symptoms. I'd like to share some news with you that was the result of a very large research study. The study was with patients that had autoimmune diseases of different kinds, diagnosed with symptoms that were bothersome on a daily basis. The two groups who participated in this large study group agreed that they would be willing to change their diet and report their finding of symptoms to the research study group. Half the participants in this study ate their regular diet. The other half of the control group were switched to an organic and plant-based diet for 4 months and then onto a lacto-vegetarian, which means that the patients were able to have dairy after 4 months for the remainder of their 12-month trial research study. At the end of 12 months, the control group, who did not change their diet, said they felt no improvements to their daily symptoms. Things like stiffness, pain, inflammation, and fatigue had not changed. On the other hand, the other group, who had altered their diet, reported lower blood pressure, less stiffness and pain in joints, much more energy and ability to exercise, and as a bonus, some of those patients even reported losing weight, as much as 15 pounds overall, and just reported feeling much better. They attributed the improvements in symptoms to reducing the amount of red meat that they were eating prior to the study, as well as the increase in organic fruits and veggies, to feeling less inflammation and overall better energy. As we know, when a patient has one autoimmune disease, they are 3 to 8 times more likely to develop one or more additional autoimmune conditions in their lifetime, so we really want to stop those odds in its tracks. We see this type of improvement in the clinic all the time, but I thought that the study results were worth sharing. Having scientific data really makes diet a powerful weapon against autoimmune diseases. When you see the lab values that are having less antibodies and inflammatory markers that are improving, it's undeniable that diet can contribute to the cure of autoimmune disease symptoms. I'd like to talk specifically about something that contributes to inflammation in our bodies via water retention, and that is salt. Patients are encouraged by our medical team, and especially by our functional dietitian, to be aware of the amount of salt that you use on your food. Fast food and processed foods have upward of 75% more than the daily recommended value for the intake of salt for a healthy diet. Because inflammation is the basis of autoimmune disease, we need to always be aware of what we call modifiable lifestyle factors, or those things that we can control to keep those inflammatory markers down as low as possible, including reducing our intake of salt. So if you or someone that you know has an autoimmune disease, please feel free to reach out to us at Revitalize Health Solutions. Let us evaluate what we can do to help you improve so that you may feel less pain, fatigue, and begin to lower those autoimmune markers. Whether you're here in Florida or somewhere in the distance, we can still help you. We're a destination clinic that sees patients from all over the country. We'd be more than happy to help you. Let us finally get to the root cause of why your immune system is attacking your body. We'd love to help. We do see reversal of symptoms from Hashimoto's, rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, and others. We're seeing autoimmune disease in younger and younger patients, and we need to intervene sooner rather than later. Give us a call in Palm Harbor, Florida at Revitalize Health Solutions at 727-342-0999, or visit us at revitalizehealthsolutions.com and let us start helping you today.